Kotilingeshwara temple is approximately 100 kilometers from Bengaluru and can be easily reached by road. The temple is located in Kamasandra village in the Kolar district. Travelers can take the NH75 Bengaluru Kolar Chittor highway and reach the temple within 2 to 2.5 hours by car or private taxi. Regular KSRTC buses also operate from Bengaluru to Kolar, from where local transportation like taxis or auto rickshaws can be hired to reach the temple. The nearest railway station is Bangarapet, about 15 kilometers from the temple. For those flying in, the nearest airport is Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, from where travelers can hire a cab to reach the temple. The Kotilingeshwara temple is a famous Hindu pilgrimage site located in the village of Kamasandra in the Kolar district of Karnataka, India. The temple is known for its massive collection of Shiva lingas, with more than 1 crore 10 million lingas installed across its vast premises, making it one of the largest linga installations in the world. The temple was established in 1980 by Swami Sambhashivamurthy, who had a divine vision to install 1 crore Shiva lingas to spread Lord Shiva's blessings. The temple complex also houses a 108-foot tall Shiva linga and a 35-foot tall Nandi statue, which are major attractions. The temple attracts thousands of devotees every year, especially during the Mahashivaratri festival. According to legend, the temple's formation is linked to the belief that installing a Shiva linga can help attain moksha, liberation. The temple's founder, Swami Sambhashivamurthy, took it upon himself to fulfill this divine task. Devotees visiting the temple can also install their own Shiva lingas with their names engraved on them. The temple aims to reach the milestone of 1 crore lingas, hence the name Kotilingeshwara, which translates to Lord of 10 million lingas. The temple is not only a spiritual hub but also a symbol of devotion and faith in Lord Shiva.